Going a little handheld today as I try to fix, or improve really, my gate situation. So there's a gate into our side yard, and it's always been a bit awkward, and as you can see, I've hacked at it a bit to try to fix it up. And today is going to be the day that I fix it. And the issue is this post is fine. It's plumb, it's vertical. This post, it's got concrete, it's solid. The post itself is solid, so I don't want to rip it out and replace it. However, there it is square at the base, and as the post goes up, 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 it twists from here to here. Let's see if I can go on top of the post, and you can hopefully see it is like there's probably almost an inch out. I picked up some 2x4 pressure treated, and I picked up a couple of 2x6s, and my idea, most of these 2x4s are for making a new gate, but I need one 2x4 and one 2x6, and I'm going to put them together into an L, and I'm going to put them like this, and I'm going to make the new part plumb. And I'm also going to get out my handheld planer, and I'm going to try to flatten that off first. So here I got a 4-foot level. It's touching at the top. It's pretty much plumb, but look at that gap. Look at that gap as it goes towards the foot. So I think I need to shave off probably almost an inch. So I drew a plumb line. I think you can see the pencil line. I think it's farther and farther and farther, and then we're at the top of the pole. So I'm gonna hopefully plane that down and then put a flat board against it. Alright, bunch of planing, and there we go. Nice flat surface. It's not quite to the pencil line, but I've been measuring with the level and it is plumb. I've put a 2x4 and a 2x6 together in an L, and let me show you it in place. It's held in place with a clamp. And it is... Oh, can you see that? Focus. And it is pretty plumb. So, up at the top, it's tight. Down at the bottom, it's tight. And there's this gap in the middle that I'll get an old fence board off the gate and I'll plane it down to pack it in there. But I can put a screw in the top and a screw in the bottom. This is pretty tight all the way along. So I have the beginnings of a plumb post so that I can build a new gate there. I planed down some fence boards to serve as shims, and this one, I don't know if I can do this with one hand. There. That one will go in there. And this one is getting tucked in here. The whole post is nicely fixed in place. I just a little bit of a gap there that I just feel better putting a shim behind it, and then I'll put in a screw there. Same on this side. This is mostly for, I think, aesthetics and just belt and suspenders. And here it is, tucked nicely into space with a screw and another one. The same down there, got that shim nicely there. I'm pretty much done the posts. That's just a visual aid. We're trying to figure out what we want to do on top. So next is going to be building a gate, which everybody knows how to build a gate, or at least, there's tons of videos. So we'll check back in when it's done, I think. All right, end of the day, and we're all done. got the top nicely done. It's got a 2-inch overhang and then a 25-degree rake on that. That's a 2x6 that's helping keep those boards apart, and just a curved top solid fence with a, where is that now, with a spring. So yeah, there's a spring here on the hinge side, so if some child comes and grabs the gate and just runs away from it, the spring will latch it nicely. And as you saw, there's the cable going through, and here's a close-up of what I did up top. Aside from looks, I think this looks nice, but I'm hoping this is going to help keep these two posts a little bit more plumb, since they're now attached together and not able to just move independently. Okay guys, that's it. Sort of a handheld cell phone vloggy sort of project. Take a twisted fence post and plane it to plumb it and wrap it with some 2x6, 2x4 to hopefully give it a few more years. And yeah, I know it looks a bit weird because this is fresh and that's not so fresh, but it will fade and merge and then they will look the same. Thanks for stopping by.